How to change background in Telegram group chat. If you have been using the Telegram application and wondering on how to change the background of the group chat, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap on to settings at the bottom right here. Select it. Then here you can find appearance just right here. Now tap on it. Then to change the background, tap on to chat wallpaper just right here. Tap on it. Now from here you can simply select the wallpaper of the chat just from here, or you can simply choose from your photos, or you can set a color as well. Now choose one of these just like this. And here you can find apply for all chats. Now simply select it. Now this background has been chosen. Now simply go back and you will see the background of the chat has been changed. And that's it. This is how you can change the background in Telegram group chat. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.